Yo. Uh, I'm absolutely gone. Damn. Alright. I'm about to be like 10 times better at this game right now. I'm just built different. I'm just a different specimen on this earth. Trust me. Alright, so when most people are on weed and they try to play a game or some shit, most people are fucking dog shit. I'm talking about they go fucking retarded, full on fucking stupid. Like they don't know how to think and shit. Me, I'm just a different person. I'm literally built different. Look at me, I'm about to beat this boss right now. Easy claps, easiest boss in the game. No sweat. If you wanna beat this dragon hell easy, all you gotta do is just go do 360s around this dude. You'll kill him. And go for some headshots all the time, like that. Boom. Easy claps. Just trying to avoid the back of his tail and the front of his head a little bit more. Just cause he's gonna fucking bite the shit out of you or fucking slap the shit out of you with his tail. But just go for his legs and his wings. Go in circles and you'll do the shit. You'll win. Trust me. No, yeah, so I will commentate and fucking fight this dude while I'm high, and I'm still gonna fuck this nigga up. I don't give a shit. The only annoying part about this dude probably, or this boss, the dragon, is when it flies away and it breathes fire on the ground. Now that shit is fucking annoying. Only cause it takes a little while for it to go back to the ground. Or sometimes it just fucking goes out of bounds and you go for it, but it fucking spawns back over here. That's the only annoying part, but other than that, this shit is easy. Try to go for the dome. Fucking missed. Go for the leg as well. And this man is stretching out. Mid fight. Oh shit, just got a bleed effect. Try to get a bleed effect weapon to start. So you can fucking, what's it called, do some massive damage on some bosses and shit. But easy boss in my life. Easy shit. But yeah, bleed effect weapons are the best right now, honestly, in my opinion. Alright, so we're on our second boss. I actually don't know what the name of this boss is. There's like over 100 and something bosses in this fucking game. It's ridiculous, like holy shit. That's why I fucking love this game. But if this fucking go ahead and check it out, no matter what boss it is. I'm gonna clap the shit out of it, watch. No matter. Oh shit, is this dude? Yo, hold on bro, this dude's a fucking tank. Fucking, I don't know his fucking moves though. I forgot them. Holy fuck. It don't matter. I'm about to learn them right. Watch. Alright, so he stomps. After he stomps, he does that little quick strike right there. Did it again. Gotta watch out for that shit. Right there. Alright, that might be one. Right there. Slow attack number 1 right there. Yeah, I can't attack after that one, I think. I guess I just have to wait for him when he puts his shield up in the air and shit. It's probably the only time I'll be able to hit him. Like right there. Nah, I can't even hit him there either. Damn. I need to find another way. Right after that. Nah, because he does that shit right there. Probably like that. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it now. Bro, I'm gonna have to do that all game. Oh, right here, I could probably catch something like that. Side. Alright. No, yeah, this dude's moves is pretty easy to learn, honestly. It looks like I have a little bit again. Boom. Alright, so now I have a safe option or a slow attack that he does where I could counter. Or I could counter that too. Alright, so I have like 2. Now, yeah, I have two clear spots, but that's it. Yeah, that's it. Damn. This dude's fucking pulling his shield up all game and shit. Bro is non-stop attacking too. Holy fuck. Yeah, this dude is controlling the fight, but I don't give a shit. Winning is everything. Yeah, got you lacking, bud. Yeah, I'm gonna just kick the catch game every time he does a heavy attack. Holy fuck, this boss is pushing me back so much. I'm about to be against the wall. Damn, I could have hit him right there if I rolled out like a fucking retard. Oh shit, I'm against the wall, fuck. Oh shit. Yeah, I can't let him catch me with that fucking little ground shit. That stomp fucking parries me, dude. Yeah, I gotta watch out for that. Damn, bro. Damn. This dude is fucking controlling this fight so fucking bad. Holy shit. I'm so fucking ass. It don't matter. I'm just gonna catch him when he's fucking doing a heavy attack. He doesn't. Oh, right here. Boom, son. Fucking shit. Dude, this dude is fucking a tank, bro. Like, holy fuck. I can't even knock him down. Nice, and he has a second phase. Bro. Wait, well, he has a wait, he had the second phase this whole time? Okay, buddy. In the way, you just whipped out a tail out your ass. I don't remember this dude having a fucking second phase. What the fuck? Bro, look how much damage his sword does to my health. Bro, holy shit, what am I? Bro, am I fighting the main boss right now, bro, or the side boss? What is this shit? Oh shit. Bro is spamming that fucking scale, dude. Fuck. Yeah, right there. Boom, son. He hardly does any heavy attacks. He's always charging and shit. Oh shit. Never mind. Yo, my luck about to change right now? Nah. Bro, it's fucking... Bro is switching it up. Holy shit. Yeah, look, he whips out that fucking tail and shit. Oh yeah, his fucking, all his moves his moves are switched up now. He fucking switched them up. Like little fucking bitch. I gotta learn him again. Holy fuck, there you go. He keeps doing this move though. This move is more, that's his most common heavy hit right there. But yeah, just look at him. Bro is spamming that one. Holy fuck. Oh shit, now he has two fucking tails, dude. What the fuck? So now I gotta watch out for him when he fucking fights in the air and shit, and he whips out his tail. That's how I know he's gonna whip out two tails. You gotta either dodge him or go do it again. Then fuck, dude. How many times are you gonna use that shit? Yeah, I gotta back up now. You see that? Catch you out there. Damn. Again, bro? My god. Fuck. And I missed. Nice. Whip out your tail. Nice. He didn't do it this time. Fuck. Come on, dude. Just give me a little opening right here. Fuck. Right here? Fuck. This boss is taking forever. Holy shit. He does it again. That same fucking move. Fuck. Gotta start dodging that shit. So every time it gets closer and closer. Come on, do the move again right now, bro. Come on, please. Come on, dude. Yeah, he switched up his moves fully. Right here. Oh my god, bro, I'm not getting any openings on this dude. No, he's like so low. Bro's like one shot, like actually. I don't want to go too close in. Oh, right here, boom. I don't want to go too close in because bro, there's like so many moves and shit. So many. And he changed it up too. He switched it up. I don't even know how to. I'm like literally just dodging everything. Cause I don't know when to hit. I only know when to hit on those two heavy hitters, but I feel like if I were nice, I could hit him right here, but you hit me. Fuck. Oh shit. Holy fuck, I'm almost dead, bro. Bro, after every when I'm about to beat a boss, why am I always so low, bro? Like I'm always about to sell the bag. Holy shit. Bro, if he does that move again, I'ma heal. But right now, I'm gonna give him a little respect. But if he does that cheesy ass move, I'm gonna go ahead and heal, cause fuck that shit. Yeah, you lost it, buddy. I'm sorry. I'm about to heal right now. Damn. No more. Give you one more chance, dude. One more chance. Just don't do it again. Damn, bro. Won't leave me an opening, dude. Come on, dude. Just do the move again right now, please. Come on, dude. I'll give you $1 million. Oh my god. Yo. That's it, bro. That's your last strike. Doing the cheesy move too much. Yeah, come here now, boy. Now I could actually hit him, and he could actually hit me, and I'm pretty sure I'll kill him. And he won't kill me. Right here. Boom. My god, bro. This boss took forever, dude. This dude was doing that same move. Dude was spamming that fucking move so much. Holy shit. Alright, so I'm heading towards our first main boss of the series. My boy Margaret. I'm about to blast him away, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit, son, I just got blasted off. Yo, don't hit me, bro. Yeah, son. I'm gonna see me right there. Let me go kill this explosive bow, dude. Shit, dude, these explosive arrows. Forgot about that. Shit, actually fucking a little bit jump scared right now. Yo, 2v1. Yeah, no matter. Come here, boy. Yeah, come over here, boy. About to catch your legs? Nice. I'm gonna catch your legs. Boom, son. Have a shield too, boy. Yeah. It's called. What was I saying? Oh yeah, about to go kill my boy Margaret. First boss, first main boss of the series. Let's go ahead and clap this man right now. Oh shit, it's my baby girl Margaret.
Foul tarnished. In search of the Elden Ring. Emboldened by the flame of ambition.
So for Margaret, honestly, this man, I forgot his moves. I haven't played Elden Ring in a couple months. Only thing I remember from Margaret is yeah, I remember this shit right here. fucking, yeah. Only thing I do remember when he pulls his little daggers when you get, damn, bro, hold on, let me talk. Alright, oh shit, that right there. Yeah, you get a little bit too close, he pulls out his dagger and shit. Right there, boom, tries to knife you up and shit. Don't get too close. But do get too close, you know? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh shit, son. Yo, I'm in the corner, bro. Let me out. Oh, yeah, that right there. Yeah. These guys low daggers. Another thing I remember was his hammer. Yup, his hammer is the second phase. Boom, easy claps. Shouldn't be too hard. Margie did be going crazy. Nah, he just got. Yo, let me see your neck. Your belly. Boom. There, yeah, there's the second phase is the hammer. So, yo, why was the last boss more harder than fucking Margaret, main boss, bro? What? Nice, I was about to finesse him right there. Ooh, easy moves. Bam, son. Damn, she got hit. Bro, come on. Am I here? Oh, you're dead, bro. Wait. What the fuck? Bro, ain't no way, bro. What the fuck? I've never had that shit happen to me before. What the fuck? Bro, ain't no way we both died at the same time. Yo. Where's my runes at, bro? Do I at least get my runes? Bro, what the fuck? That's crazy, bro. Nah. I actually kind of want to restart the whole series just to kill him, like. No, I can't do that, though. Damn, 12k? 12k runes? Yo, that's about 8 levels right there. Damn. Bro, I still... Yo, who's this? Yo, baby girl. Coming in clutch. Oh, don't worry, baby girl. I know you've been testing me. Damn, son. Bro, I'm still kind of shocked. Damn, bro, we both kill each other. I don't even know if that counts, yo. Man, who gives a shit? It counts. I don't care. Fucking... Yo, you offer me something? Yo, offer me guidance. Alright, baby girl, come on. Oh. Talking about Rouse Hound table, huh? Man, I thought talking about something else, little baby girl. Don't worry. Yeah, let's go ahead and go to the round hound table. Damn, yo, let my hand. Yo, come on, go. Damn, yo, getting physical. Yo, that's right, yo, let's go. You already knew I was gonna get her. Come on. No, alright, run out table. What's it called? Yeah, fucking unexpected ass ending right there. I didn't think I was gonna die. Bro, can you call that a tie? Bro, what? I don't know. What's it called? Yeah, dude, I didn't know I was gonna fucking win and lose at the same time. I don't know how to take this win, but it's whatever. See y'all in the 3rd episode.